Hey everyone, and welcome back. Airports can feel exciting, but also a little stressful. One of the most important moments is passing through security. In this video, let's watch a simple and friendly conversation between a passenger and a security officer. This will help you learn useful phrases for travel. A pleasant airport check-in. Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London. Good morning. Welcome. May I see your passport and ticket, please? Sure. Here they are. Thank you. Are you traveling with any luggage to check in today? Yes, I have 2 suitcases. Alright. Could you place them on the scale, please? Sure. Here they go. Thank you. Both suitcases are within the weight limit. Do you prefer a window or aisle seat? I would like a window seat, please. Perfect. Your seat number is 18A. Here's your boarding pass. Thank you very much. Could you tell me the boarding gate? Of course. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Have a safe flight. Thank you. I really appreciate your help. You're most welcome. Glad I could help. Thank you.